guess what? We're gonna shoot him in the face with the bug assault. All right, let me show you real quick. I walked in the other day and got a weird surprise, and I just want to share with you guys what that looked like, because while I'm taking it easy, it doesn't mean I can't have some fun too, right? Whew. I have legit chills right now. I'm freaked out. I just came and I went to move something on my chair, a little FlyRyde awesome race car chair. Look how big this bastard is. I'm from California. I'm not down. Ooh, boy. I swear to you, this thing better be fake. Oh, guess what? Did you see that light bulb go off? We're gonna shoot him in the face with the bug assault. All right, let me show you real quick. So, this is my bug assault, and it is filled with salt, right? I'm gonna cock it, and I'm gonna shoot a spider in its face. Oh, there it goes. Spider! Ooh, I don't see the spider. I see a shitload of web though. Bug assault, I need a new bug assault. So I showed up to work. I wasn't really supposed to be here yet, but I needed to be here for training Kristen. I thought, what can I actually do that's not gonna hurt me worse than I already was? I figured I would just clean up around the shop a little bit. And who did I find? A stupid spider. Who's still in there? I have no idea where he went. Where's the Aiden? There he is.
What's that?
Hi, little kid. What are you doing? What are you doing? I did get some very welcome visitors. One nice thing is just the fact that I am close to home now. I have my boy come here and do homework after school now, teaching him some wiring, stuff like that.
Chillin'.
What are you doing?
What's that little hairy thing?
The little hairy thing? Come inside.
What's it for?
Why are you here? So while I wasn't able to do all the things that somebody that's watching this wants me to do, maybe you wanted me to not take it easy. I didn't want to take it easy either. I love to work. I love what I do, and I can only wish the same for anybody else out there. But if it means that physically it's a bad idea for me to be doing the things a lot of people have been pushing me to do, I think I gotta listen to the doctor and chill a little bit. Now, one thing I do want to talk about is the fact that if you do any kind of business for yourself, I think there's gotta be a certain amount of boundaries. Thank you for the people that reached out and told me focus on health and focus on getting right for my family. And for the people that said the opposite, people that were basically like, gimme, I want what I want, I don't care, it's not my problem, you guys suck. That's not because of it hurt my feelings. I feel like that's a bad way to be a human being. You know what I mean? If people are always so pushy because the world that we're getting used to is like Amazon, order right now, and everything shows up the next day. Like, we have some discussion to have. So I just think this, in a world where everything is starting to be automated and there's not a whole lot of special stuff going on, click a button, thing shows up the next day, cool, awesome. What about custom? What about craftsmen? What about people that are making a living by using their hands and there's something special about them? I think these guys are not getting a fair shake right now, and I'm not even talking about me. I've made my bed, you know what I mean? Like, anything going well or bad, it's my fault, FlyRyde. But there's a lot of people out there that are just killing themselves for people that don't appreciate it, and I am going to be talking a whole bunch about all of that stuff. I think there's a lot of stuff that's changing in the world right now, and it's crazy. Like, this is a rant. Check it out. You don't want to listen to a rant? Video's over. Might as well go to the next one where you maybe learn something about lights. What I'm thinking about is the stuff I'm watching. Artificial intelligence. We're gonna have trucks that drive themselves. Guess what that's gonna mean? Truck drivers aren't gonna have a job. And that means that the diners that are serving truck drivers aren't gonna have a job. And the hookers that are waiting for the truck drivers, they're not gonna have a job. Even the hookers are gonna get disrupted by all of this stuff. All of the day-to-day tasks, people that sort things out by hand, and anybody who could possibly be replaced by a robot is going to be replaced by a robot. Is that you? Because it's not me. I know it's not me because I am huge about being creative, using my hands and my mind together to make something that other people don't make. Like, this is just me telling you straight up. I think that the arts and creativity and craftsmanship, all of that stuff, maybe right now it's not there, but it's gonna rise up huge and become much, much more in demand, irreplaceable. A machine can't do a lot of the things that people can do because people are special. And a lot of the builders that are out there making custom lights, amongst other things automotive, are some super talented dudes. They're just not getting that fair shake. They're not getting the understanding. There's people that are demanding things from them as though they're just some dog on the side of the street for hire. That sounds pretty ruthless, but I've seen it. I've seen these guys make bad decisions because they're getting pressured to do stupid stuff, all because some dude tells them that he has to. Like, I don't know. I don't agree with that. I've made some hardcore changes, like stuff I can't believe I'm doing right now, but it's based on the fact that some stuff changed in my life, and when it did, it basically shook me up and said, what happens if I can't work for a couple weeks or a couple months, or my hands are messed up, or something's wrong and I can't provide for my family in the way that I have completely conditioned myself and other people to expect me to do? What happens? Well, I don't think we're gonna have to worry about that because a lot of that stuff isn't gonna be the case anymore. I'm so sorry. That was just ranty. I'm passionate about all this stuff. I love it. I love the thought of business, the future, the way that everything's going right now. I'm just completely fired up, more than I've ever been right now. And so I'm excited to talk about this stuff with you guys, to bring you along through my journey and share my ups and downs, because I'm sure I'm gonna screw up all over the place. But I'm also sure that I'm gonna go and I'm gonna have the nuts to do things that I've been freaked out about doing in the past. So, if you got any value out of that rant, if you watched that rant, hit the like button, hit the subscribe, stay around, because I do want to continue to bring you content that is based on mindset. There's a lot of stuff changing, everybody knows that. All you gotta do is look around and find something that reminds you of your childhood, like Toys R Us, and be like, wow, Toys R Us is gone. The world is changing. I'm excited about it. I really am. So if you have any questions about any of this crazy stuff I'm talking about, comment below, ask me, reach out. I'd be more than happy to tell you at least my spin on things and share with you why it is that I'm building a business where I can have my kids show up and my wife show up and I can do the things that I'm passionate about, that I love, and share that with other people. I've been talking nonstop to other business owners lately, how they're stuck and how they wish that they could be doing other things and producing content that just helps people. Maybe my ranting isn't helping anybody right now, but maybe one dude got shaken up by a couple words I said. Maybe nobody did. I don't know. We'll find out. But meanwhile, I'm excited to share it. I do definitely want to invite you guys to hang around, get in touch. Let's just grow this thing. Let's make it happen together. So I couldn't thank you guys enough. Those of you that have been just super supportive when I was just down and out, screwed up, stuck in bed for 10 days. Like, you guys are pretty awesome people. So hang in there and we'll get there together. All right, guys. Adios. Have a good night.